Holi is a vibrant and colorful festival celebrated in India and other parts of the world. It marks the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. This festival is also known as the Festival of Colors and is celebrated by people of all ages, races, and religions. This video captures the essence and spirit of the Holi festival through stunning visuals and lively music. It begins with the preparations for the festival, where people buy vibrant colors and sweets to share with their loved ones. As the video progresses, you see people of all ages coming together to celebrate Holi. You see them drenching each other in colors, dancing to traditional folk music, and enjoying the festive delicacies. The video also showcases the various traditions and rituals associated with Holi, such as the Holika Dahan ceremony, where people light a bonfire to symbolize the victory of good over evil. Through this video, you get a glimpse of the joy and excitement that surrounds the Holi festival. You witness the unity and harmony that this festival brings to people from different backgrounds. Overall, this video is a beautiful representation of the Holi festival, capturing the essence of this joyous occasion that brings people together to